Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right sheet and planning the layout. Pick 70-100 GSM for sturdy cards. Measure 3x5 in boxes across the page so every card is consistent. Use the ruler and pencil to mark faint guidelines. Mark the grain so cuts run with the fiber, not against it. Clamp or clip the stack once lines are set. Once done, confirm spacing and orientation before you cut. This simple precision saves hours of rework later. You'll now move to cutting. Stack only as many sheets as your knife can slice cleanly, typically 210. Align the straight edge with your pencil marks and press firmly. Cut with long, single strokes to avoid jagged edges. Rotate the sheet, not the ruler, to keep lines true. After cutting, inspect each card and trim any stray fibers, then lightly sand corners or file edges for uniform feel. Make sure to work slowly. Accuracy here gives you neat, professional cards. Finish by choosing corner style. A punch gives consistency, or clip corners by hand for a quick look. Label one test card in pencil, then finalize with ink or marker. Wait for ink to dry to prevent smudging. If a cut is crooked, re-square the affected edge with a fresh trim. Don't try to force it. For warped or bowed cards, stack under a heavy book overnight to flatten. Finally, sort and count your set. You're ready to use or store them neatly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.